The roar of the chainsaw, the crack of splitting timber. Chips scatter as boards are shaped with precision. Brace yourself for an exciting journey. Every moment counts. Time to dive in. Oh my gosh! You won't believe what this guy found inside a tree. He was just minding his own business cutting down when his chainsaw hit something solid that snapped his chain. It was a freaking fence post. Nature never ceases to amaze me. This guy's a legend. He's got this giant tree totally under control, using his trusty steel like it's an extension of his arm. Seriously, it's mesmerizing to watch. Hey folks, listen to that turbo scream. Crossing the puddle, climbing the muddy hill with wet tires and tons of weight is respectable. The GSN 240 compact frame saw represents a paradigm shift in secondary cutting, enabling effortless cutting of hardwoods with a minimal energy consumption of 10 to 12 kilowatts per hour. Maintain an impressive production rate of 3 to 4 cubic meters per hour while minimizing material waste thanks to the ultra-thin 2.3 millimeter curve. At a price of $19,000 US, the GSN 240 is undeniably a smart investment. Brace yourselves, folks. This spectacle is about to blow your mind sky high. While the Hypro 300 Gallerings processor may seem antiquated in comparison to modern harvesting equipment, it's important to recognize its historical significance. This machine represented a major advancement in its time, significantly improving efficiency and productivity for its users. This oak tree didn't stand a chance against this lumberjack. With the steel MS 462 in his hands, he made clean cuts, and the job was finished in the blink of an eye. It's truly the right tool in the right hands. And now it's time for the LKT81 Turbo to shine. It's no exaggeration to say that this machine is a true monster in terms of power. This hunk of metal, weighing over 10 tons, was pulled back easily, as if it were just a fraction of the LKT81's strength. All right, folks, buckle up. We're stacking birch logs, and it's not going to be easy. Mother Nature decided to spice things up with a snow shower. These logs are slippery as heck, so we gotta be smart about this. Forget brute force, it's all about finesse. Let's stack them tight, move them smooth, and show this weather who's boss. Two large trucks carrying logs are pulling each other up a slope on a muddy dirt road. Is that exciting enough for you? Well, I can only say this is how Australians fell trees. Tired of wrestling with stubborn stumps? We've got the solution. The Kobelco 140 and Encon EC219 are the ultimate stump-busting duo. Imagine this: the Kobelco's raw power combined with the EC219's surgical precision. Roots? Obstacles? No problem. Your productivity will skyrocket, and you'll be wondering why you didn't get this combo sooner. Seriously, why do people insist on pushing this LKT81 Turbo to its absolute breaking point? It's like they have a vendetta against machinery. Behold the Ponzi Scorpion, the undisputed king of the forest. This award-winning marvel isn't just a harvester, it's a productivity powerhouse. Its revolutionary design defies gravity, conquering any terrain. The panoramic cabin offers a breathtaking view, making you feel like a king surveying his domain. With the Scorpion, you wield the power of 10,000 foresters. These timber truck drivers in Styria are insane. These mountain roads are no joke, but they're handling them like pros. Respect. Ever wrestled with black locust roots? It's like battling a mythical hydra, right? Well, guess what? We've got the ultimate weapon, the Takeuchi compact track loader and the Denuser intimidator. This power couple makes root removal a breeze. No more struggling, no more swearing, just pure, efficient excavation. Ready to reclaim your land? Let's do this. It looks cool, but I think this is a really dangerous way to cut. That guy is going to hurt himself one of these days. The Vermeer BC 2000 sets a new benchmark for wood chipping efficiency. Its 147 kilowatt engine delivers an impressive output of 149 cubic meters per hour, with a maximum output diameter of 510 millimeters. This machine is engineered for high-volume operations, significantly reducing processing time and maximizing productivity. A perfect combination of the Mac R600 and Cat 930. With this duo, steep slopes are nothing. Just because you notch a tree one direction doesn't mean it wants to fall that way. Ever dreamed of being a lumberjack and an astronaut? Well, the HSM 405H3L steel hang is your ticket to both. This machine doesn't just harvest trees, it dances up mountains like a pro climber. The 360-degree rotating cabin? It's your personal spaceship, offering breathtaking views. And watch those hydraulic arms gracefully lift massive trees. It's like watching a ballet of power and precision. So, buckle up, folks, because this machine is taking forestry to a whole new level. Can you believe he is taking down a 14-foot western red cedar? The chainsaw sounds so loud, like a monster roaring to life. It's kind of scary, but also super exciting. And then, boom! It's over in a second, but the feeling stays with you forever. Whoa, that was close. They must have nerves of steel and some serious skills to pull that off. This guy found an old Lamont 100 portable sawmill that was just lying around, all broken and rusty. But instead of throwing it away, he decided to fix it up. He bent the frame back into shape, replaced some parts, and even put on a new blade. And guess what? It actually works. It cuts through wood like a hot knife through butter. It's so cool to see something old and forgotten come back to life. This video is awesome. I wish I could trust a woman like this guy trusts this chain. Fortunately, no accidents occurred. Did you see how that tree just vanished? The Prinoth M450s is a hungry beast. It devoured that tree without mercy, a real one-sided confrontation. The Steel MS500i isn't just a chainsaw. It's a technological marvel, the first of its kind with electronic fuel injection. This translates to raw power and unparalleled efficiency. Witnessing this 5.0 kilo beast in action, effortlessly felling a giant cedar, is a testament to its capabilities. Whoa, this is really crazy. Something like this doesn't happen very often. It's really fantastic and intense. Let me tell you about the coolest new sawmill, the Frontier OS-27 from Norwood Sawmills. These guys have been building portable sawmills for 25 years, so they know a thing or two about getting the job done right. This baby is safe, it's powerful, and it's built to last. Oh, and did I mention it's affordable? $36.47 USD. Yep, Norwood's making sure everyone can get their hands on a top-notch sawmill. Ever dreamt of commanding a forest giant? The Ponce Ergo 8W Harvester is your ticket to an adrenaline-pumping adventure. Picture this. You're nestled in a futuristic rotating cabin. The rumble of the Mercedes engine beneath you. The 36-foot crane dances to your command. It's not just logging. It's a thrilling ballet of man and machine. Ready to take the reins? Whoa! Tackling slopes and hairpin turns like these? Must be just another day at the office for these timber truck drivers. They've got to be the calmest dudes I've ever met. Wood! Wood! And wood once again. The trees are frightened of this man. In 3 minutes, 5 down. I can't even finish a slice of pizza that quickly. And he gives it all seem so simple. He appears to be dancing with the forest. All right, y'all, get ready for this. We've got a real face-off coming up. It's the M923 going head-to-head with a Stump. That's right, a Stump. Who do you think's gonna win this epic showdown?
Oh my god.